So now like M series head unit and on our other head units, you can use the split screen mode. Now, it's only semi-useful at times because it depends what like app you're trying to use. But what you do is you click on that icon at the back, it like brings all the apps that are open, grab the one you want and drag it to here. It says use split screen. Now that's going to put it over there, and then for example would put the HEMA app on the other side. Now you can see the HEMA map is working, and we have CarPlay on the side. Not super helpful the CarPlay here, but it does work okay for certain things like music and stuff. So that is how you can use a split screen mode. You can see it does look a bit like weird on the CarPlay one. On the HEMA maps it looks okay. Then once you're finished, you can just go like this and drag it, and it will go back to how it was normally. That is an option for split screen. It does work best when using it with the apps on here. So we had HEMA before, so you could have HEMA and Spotify for example, or HEMA and a different mapping app. There's just a couple of options there.